Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson and I would like to show you this braided half up style that actually looks a bit like a heart. So Valentine's Day is over, but I show it to you anyway because I really love the result and it was not planned to make a heart shaped bun. So for this style I just took my crown hair, and when I'm braiding lately I always use the chance to apply some extra oil because my hair is quite dry. And I'm making with half of the hair a ponytail that I flip over. So bring it to your head and flip it down and then tighten a bit. You can then split the hair in the middle and you're going to braid regular French braid, 3-strand braids, not French braids, 3-strand braid. So always go with the outer strand over the middle. This looks neater if you applied oil and you avoid the flyaways, and if you turn a bit in the strands to themselves, just wrap them around themselves a bit so that no small hairs are sticking out. This is a little trick I can give you on the way. And then we do the same on the other side. Braid tight, especially at the beginning. Smooth always the strands out, and if you feel that little hairs are sticking out because they have different lengths or because you have a layer like me in the ends, then just turn them a bit to themselves. Here you see they stick out. You can also apply some extra product, but I wanted to avoid that. Now you fold the braid. Mine got so long that I cannot stick it through. Use the bobby pins that we prepared at the beginning to hold everything in place. Here again, I'm folding it once and then combine it with the bobby pin with the part that I flipped under before. So important for me was to first attach the curve where the braid goes in, and then I just secured the rest. This is the final result. I hope you like it. It's very quick to do. It will take you about 5 to 10 minutes. And if you like it, please give us a thumbs up and come back soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.